In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you've ever typed a word in Word and seen that red squiggly underline pop up, it just means Word thinks the spelling is off, or it doesn't recognize the term. This often happens with names, brand terms, technical jargon, or correctly spelled words that simply aren't part of Word's built-in dictionary. The quickest way to fix that for words you use often is to add them to your custom dictionary, and it only takes a moment. Start by locating the word that's underlined in red. Hover your mouse over it so you're sure you've got the right one. Now, right-click directly on that underlined word. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works the same. This opens a small context menu right where your cursor is, showing suggested corrections and a few options. From that menu, choose Add to Dictionary. The wording might look slightly different depending on your version, but it will clearly reference adding the word to the dictionary. Before you click, take a quick second to make sure the word is spelled exactly the way you want it saved. Adding a typo by mistake will teach Word to accept that typo everywhere, so a quick glance now saves you cleanup later. Once you click Add to Dictionary, Word immediately saves that word to your default custom dictionary. There's nothing else you need to do. The red underline disappears right away, and the word won't be flagged as a spelling error in this document or in future documents on this computer. That's the benefit of the custom dictionary. It's your personal list of approved words that Word will trust from now on. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. If the word is a proper noun or a brand name that you use frequently, adding it pays off quickly because you stop getting distracted by unnecessary red lines. If it's a one-time, unusual term, you might decide to leave it as is, but adding it is still fine if you know you'll want it recognized again. And if you ever change your mind later, you can manage your custom dictionary in Word settings to remove entries you no longer need. To recap the flow, you'll use Anytime. Right-click the red underlined word, choose Add to Dictionary, and Word saves it to your default custom dictionary so it won't be flagged again. It's a small habit that keeps your documents cleaner and your focus on writing, not on dismissing false alarms.